This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Fogel. Welcome to 24973 Bay Cedar Drive, a private poolside retreat with popular great room floor plan and golf course views. Situated on a peaceful, tree-lined cul-de-sac, this beautifully updated home combines privacy, comfort, and convenience. This preferred open floor plan features a central great room that flows effortlessly into the kitchen and outdoor entertaining areas, creating a bright and welcoming environment with excellent flow. Soaring cathedral ceilings enhance the sense of space, while large full-wall sliding glass doors invite abundant natural light and offer views of the golf course. Step outside to your renovated pool deck, immaculately maintained, complete with imported marble flooring and a premium picture frame lanai cage, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The spacious backyard is a true highlight, offering abundant room for gardening, play, or pets. Inside, the home is designed with flexibility in mind. The third bedroom, equipped with a custom-installed Murphy bed and built-in wardrobes and dresser drawers, serves as an ideal space for a den, studio, or home office, all without compromising on guest accommodations. Notable updates include a newer roof, 2017, picture frame lanai cage, 2018, HVAC, 2020, decorative paver driveway, 2019, pool and pool deck renovations including marble flooring, improved pool liner, and newer pump and heater, with beautifully updated bathrooms featuring frameless glass shower enclosures with built-in tile seating, and modern cabinetry and plumbing fixtures. Perhaps most importantly, this home has no history of flood damage and is located within optimal flood zone X. As a resident of Pelican Landing, you'll have access to a world-class range of amenities, including a 34-acre private island beach club, Gulf access sailing, kayaking, and boat ramp, as well as 12 true tennis courts, attended fitness center, bocce, pickleball, and more. This home is ideally located within the community, only a short walk or ride to both the Nest or Pelican Landing's tennis facility. Optional memberships are available for the Nest Golf Club, featuring 36 holes of championship golf and a newly renovated clubhouse. Some membership options may have a waiting list due to popularity. Schedule your visit today to experience this exceptional home and all that Pelican Landing has to offer. For more information, review the details below.